Welcome to today's crafting journey, where we explore the beauty of beautiful handmade wreath, jute crafted wreath, and magic of bottle decor and recycling ideas, and beautiful gold fiber made wreath and beautiful designer wreath for Xmas this season. It's one of the most versatile and eco-friendly materials in the world. When we combine with recycling everyday wreath and decorate for your home, it creates stunning, budget-friendly and sustainable home decor ideas. So in this video, we talk about the benefits of crafting and creative possibilities with recycles, and how crafting helps in mindfulness, sustainability, and even a small business opportunity. And decorating is one of the finest things for your mind. Crafting is art of using natural jute fibers or rope and flowers and grass to design beautiful functional items, home decor items, wall hanging items. The natural texture of ornaments and crafts like jute and many things, flowers, and any craft project or rustic and earthy charm. It blends well with wood, glass, or even fabric. When we use jute or wrapping something like wire, round wire for making wreath, when we making something beautiful wreath or designing wall hanging, we not only create a stunning decor but also embrace a more eco-conscious lifestyle. Hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. So, benefits of crafting, recycling. Eco-friendly jute is biodegradable and sustainable. For using it on wreath, door wreath, using it in crafts help reduce plastic and synthetic decor items. Recycling purpose, instead of throwing something material like balls, like wires and bottles, you transform them into useful and decorative items for your home. Cost effective. This product, like jute rope, is inexpensive, and burlap fabrics, some old fabrics and old bottles are free making. This is one of the most affordable crafting projects for your home decoration. In this season, you can make very beautiful thing. Beautiful home decor. Jute burlap fit perfectly in rustic bohemian farmhouse and even modern interior. Mindfulness and relaxation. The slow wrapping of jute and is soothing, reduces stress and improves focus. Skill development. You learn patience, designs, techniques, and attention to detail while crafting. Gift making. Handmade jute bottles decor make thoughtful personalized gift. Handmade beautiful jute wreath decor makes for thoughtful personalized gift. Small business opportunity. With creativity, these crafts can be sold online, in gift shops, or at local markets. Creative ideas with jute decor, wreath decor. Here are some beautiful designs ideas you can try. Festive jute wreath, door wreath, or you can add some candles and fairy lights and make some vases and pinecones, and you can make wall hanging or wall decor and something centerpieces. Combine jute bottles with the pinecone flowers and seashells for themed table decor. Making wreath with recycles is more than just a DIY project. It's about embracing sustainability, unlocking creativity, and enjoying the calming process of handmade art. So next time you see in empty bottles, don't throw it away. Wrap it in jute, decorate it with love and watch it transform into something truly beautiful. Thank you for joining me in today's crafting journey. Thank you be a part of this video and watch till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more eco-friendly ideas, crafting ideas. Hope you enjoying these ideas and designs. Hope you enjoying all the videos. Thank you for supporting us. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. May your home fulfilled with love and happiness, prosperity. May your life fulfilled with happiness. You keep crafting, keep smiling, keep glowing like a star, keep shining like a star. Have a very nice day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay tuned for more videos and don't forget to leave the comment.